Good evening. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 24th June 2021. Friends, as I had mentioned yesterday, that Nifty will face hurdle at higher levels, that is at 15,900 and 15,850. Today, Nifty opened gap up almost 90 points and immediately went into profit booking mode. Even in late afternoon trade, it broke the lower resistance of 15,700 levels. Going forward, tomorrow is monthly expiry day. Still, Nifty is trading with a lower range of here at about 15,440. Above, it is at about 15,900 levels. In between this channel, there is no trade as the volatility is very high, and one day it will be down and one day it will be up. It is very difficult to trade in this channel. Anyway, for those people who need to compulsorily trade indices, if we move on to lower time frame chart, here taking a look at the lower time frame chart, Nifty decisively broke 15,700 and ended at about 15,700 levels. As tomorrow is a expiry day, if Nifty moves above 15,700, then we can see resistance at about 15,750 levels. Thereafter, if that is taken out by about 12:30, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, the next resistance for Nifty is about 10,820 levels. Going forward, I don't think Nifty will fall too much. If Nifty opens gap down, then we have support at 15,600 and then deep support at 15,500 levels. For those people who would like to trade Nifty option tomorrow and take a risk can buy 15,750 call options towards a dip in Nifty. Now taking a look at Bank Nifty charts. Bank Nifty, I had mentioned yesterday that it is better to avoid trading in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty opened about 100-150 points above yesterday's close and it went into profit taking mode to close about 150 points lower. Still, compared to Nifty, today Bank Nifty was stronger. Again, Bank Nifty is trading in a range of 33,900 on the downside and 35,800 on the upside. Assuming we open gap up tomorrow, today's low or 34,500 will become the lower stop loss for Bank Nifty. Once it trades above 34,900, all shorts will start covering above 34,900 levels. Risk taking people can buy 34,900 or 35,000 call options when Bank Nifty consolidates or if it gives a dip in early morning trades. Still, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are in uptrend unless the lows of the previous 3 days, that was on Monday, is taken out. Moving on to derivatives data, today I will not be showing the open interest positions additions in the indices as tomorrow is expiry day and it will be all over the place. Moving into the FIA activity for 23rd June, that is for today, we can see that the open interest for FIIs is at 1,23,951, an addition of about 5,000 contracts to their yesterday's close. Today, FIIs had made heavy purchases in index futures. That is, they have covered some short positions and fresh longs have been opened up. A look at the open interest build up for tomorrow's expiry. We can see 15,800 has over 1 lakh contracts written at the particular strike. Finally, as usual, Idea and Sun TV are the two securities that are in ban for tomorrow's trade. Thanks for watching. Good night.